So today we're doing rack lamb with Parmesan quinoa. And again, thanks to D'Artagnan sending us this beautiful lamb rack, which are we taking out. Make sure every time that you take it out, you have a towel next to you, so you take all the excess of blood out of there, you know, nice and dry. Nice, look at those beautiful lamb chops. We're gonna season them right now. We're gonna put some garlic in there, some whiskey, because I love marinating the lamb rack with whiskey and garlic, lots of garlic and parsley. It's just my favorite thing. And let's just proceed to that. Alright, so I'm gonna ground some garlic right there, some garlic, and then I got some parsley. Already popped the whiskey in there, you can see it. Ooh, deliciousness. Let's go with it. Oh baby, look at this parsley, man. So good. Just pop it in here. A bit more. Over here. Over here. Nicely done. And then you want to pulse it. For those people that don't know what is this is called the Robot Coupe. So this thing has like several settings. I mean, only two settings actually. We turn it on. You hit the green, but actually I'm gonna pulse it for a bit. Pulse it first. See, you pulse it. Then you pulse it, so I don't want to create a paste, but like break down everything. Oh, that's just perfect. Alright, that's it. Shut it down. Boom. Away we go. Check it out. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfection. Now into our lamb. Fuck yeah. Yeah, we might need a spatula for that, or maybe a glove. Alright, that's done with that. Alright, so now we're gonna do a little oil to bind everything. There we go. A little oil in there, and then we gotta do some salt, pepper, and a little bit of vinegar, because I like to put a little hint of vinegar. Make sure if you're gonna leave it overnight, don't put the vinegar, because otherwise it's gonna cook the meat, and you don't want that. We just need the flavor before we cook it, because I'm doing this before I cook it, so that's why I'm putting vinegar. Don't get me wrong, those YouTube cooking police, I'm doing it right away, so I'm gonna do the vinegar. Alright, beautiful people, here's our ingredients for today. We got our shallots, garlic, tomatoes diced, and then a rack of lamb, our quinoa, and then our Brussels sprouts. Quite some ingredients over here, and this is gonna turn into a beautiful dish. Alright, time to heat up the pans. Heat up the pans, heat up the pans. Alright, so tiny bit of oil in the pan. Oil in the pan. Hit that fire. El cinturón de Orión. Hola, cinturón de Orión. ¿Por qué eres tan feo? Now, in our beautiful lamb rack, check it out. Ooh, here we go. Lower the flame. Sear both sides, and then in the oven. Now you see we put it upside down, downside up, whatever. Oh, look at that beautifulness. And then in the oven. Estimating probably like 5 minutes, then we're gonna let it rest. We'll come back into that later. Now we're gonna saute our quinoa with rest of our ingredients. Some garlic olive oil. There. Then in the shallots and garlic first. Then the tomatoes. Now remember guys, I told you guys this already. Shallots first. Then garlic. Then or tomatoes. Then we're gonna season these gradually. Pepper. And in goes the quinoa. Oh la la, merci. Perfecto. Now we're gonna do our finer herbs. A little bit of chicken stock, as always. Right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Then after that, I'm gonna hit it with a tiny bit of cream. And then our Parm cheese. A little bit of Parm cheese like that to give you a nice umami flavor. Beautiful, voila. Alright, now we're gonna do our Brussels sprouts. Actually, I don't know if I want to do Brussels sprouts. And the sprouts. Salt. Pepper. So we're gonna char them. After we're gonna char them, we're gonna put some a bit of brown sugar, and a tiny bit of chicken stock. Hit it heavy. And we're gonna reduce this. I like the burnt flavor of it, and I like the chard. Once we reduce this, we're gonna have a nice sweet and bitterness from the charred mess. And let's take out the lamb because it's gotta rest. Oh, look at that baby. Alright, we're gonna rest the rack as always. And we're gonna come back to plate this dish. Alright, see you in a bit.
down my